Ever feel like you're throwing money into a black hole called digital advertising and hoping for the best? You're spending on ads and sales are coming in, but are those ads actually profitable? That's where ROAS comes in. ROAS stands for Return on Ad Spend. It's a simple ratio that tells you exactly how many dollars you earn for every single dollar you spend on ads. For example, if you spend $1,000 on Google Ads and generate $5,000 in sales, your ROAS is 5. That's a 5-to-1 ratio, or 500%. But watch out, ROAS only tracks revenue. Unlike ROI, it doesn't account for your product costs or team salaries. A high ROAS is great, but you still need to know your margins to stay profitable. To improve your ROAS, you can refine your audience targeting, test new ad creatives, or cut spend on underperforming campaigns. Thank you for your time. See you again in new video with new topic.